Welcome to this episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm with over 3 decades of experience working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Today we're going to talk about digital marketing. Now, implementation. Now, halfway through here, you're equipped to implement the strategies you've chosen. So now you need to know, first, what are your goals? Second, what do you plan with your content? Third, what channels do you plan to use the content? Fourth, how should you optimize your website? Fifth, how do you incorporate personalization and automation? And sixth, what are the issues with your chosen implementation plan? What if you have a vintage bookshop? So say at the moment you're selling vintage books and souvenir magnets in the suburbs. You've started selling little knickknacks and candies to cater to your neighbor's needs. You're planning on going digital to reach more people. Now first, determine your goal. You can go back to what I originally posted the other day on the Ansoff Matrix. Because you plan to go digital and revamp your image as a vintage bookshop, you decide to go for diversification. Diversification is the trickiest among the 4 sectors, but you feel it's time to expand in your current products or services. You want to reach more people, but not in the random way in which your store is set up. There should be a unifying feature among your products and services. So you decide to sell vintage books, as well as novelty items that feature book designs, quotes, and the like. The online shop will also provide services, such as customized photo albums and the client's choice of famous covers as their covers. Because you're offering more products and services, you feel that it'd be better to reach more people with them as well. So the local post office, as well as FedEx or DHL, it's not that far away from you. Second, plan your content. The last section I'll talk about is going to go more in depth into what you can do with your content. However, you should have an idea as to how you want your revamped business to be advertised. You can start a blog about the books that you've curated for the shop. You can pay for a sponsored ad to show up on social media directed at a specific age group with the interest in old books and art as a whole. You can request old clients to help you out with testimonials in the media that they're comfortable with. You can take pictures of some of your best vintage books. Edit if you need to make them look better online. You may have to change your business name. Go through the process. Then choose your channels. This point is related to the second. As you plan what content to produce, you should have an idea what channels to accommodate that. You have YouTube, social media such as Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, landing page, business website, blog as part of the business website, things like that. Then fourth, you want to optimize your website. You may want to start with a small investment in PPC advertising as your business is now online. Now back this up with white hat SEO, such as well-written content, related viral videos, incorporating keywords appropriately. Develop a personal-looking website. People are put off with haphazardly put-together sites with typos and bid links. You want to add relevant keywords and key phrases to appropriate parts of your articles, maybe vintage books, photo albums, things like that. You can request reputable guest writers to add content for your site. You can share your content at various social media outlets, and you can create original videos that will catch the interest of your target audience. Fifth, use automated and personalization. Now, allow registration into your website. This way, they merely have to log in the next time they plan to purchase something from you. You should be able to view their invoices and their cumulative purchases. An email should be sent to them to thank them for patronizing your business. Emails should also regularly sent to them to update them on the latest promotions. The emails can also be an update of your relevant blog posts that your customers may want to read. You may want to subscribe to an email marketing service that will automate this for you. Each type of consumer will receive emails according to his relationship with the business. You have your regular customers that buy from time to time, those have never bought anything but are interested, and those who have no interest and register on the whim. 6. Check your implementation plans for possible problems. Go through steps 1 to 5 that I mentioned, and check if you're going to have a problem with any of them. Have you surveyed as to whether there's a possible market for you online, or if your current customers are happy with the move? Do you have steady internet? Do you have steady internet connection? Do you have an existing website? Do you need to hire someone to create a website that people can purchase from? Do you need someone to help you produce original content, such as blog writer, video editor, photographer? Do you know how to apply SEO techniques? Do you know a little bit of HTML, CSS for your website? What's your budget for this? Whether or not you'll encounter issues as you translate your business into the digital format will depend on your answers to these questions. Your budget and personal expertise will ultimately decide how much you can do in terms of website optimization, content production, and marketing strategies, such as email marketing. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's EDBISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486. Until next time.